A very good morning to all my students and welcome back again. Yesterday we started a new chapter, that is chapter 14, electric current and its effects. In the last video I have discussed about the different symbols of electrical components, right? What is a symbol of electric cell, what is a symbol of electric bulb, what will be the symbol if the switch is off, if the switch is on, and the wire. We have already discussed this in my last video. So this is a symbol of what? This is a symbol of an electric cell of a battery. The thin long line which you can see over here, this is the positive terminal of the battery, whereas on the other hand the thick and the shorter one is the negative terminal of the battery. This is a symbol of an electric bulb. So this is a electric circuit where we can see one bulb is glowing and it is connected to a battery through a wire. So can you draw the circuit diagram using the symbols? So first we need to know what is a circuit diagram. A circuit diagram is nothing but it is just a graphical representation of an electric circuit using the symbols of electrical components. So now we will draw the circuit diagram of this electric circuit. Now the circuit diagram is very simple. You will first draw the cell, the symbol of electrical cell and the symbol of bulb. Then by using the straight line for wires, join them together. So this is the circuit diagram of this electric circuit. Now we will mark the direction of electric flow, the direction of electric current. So this is the direction of electric current. You can see in the picture it is denoted by arrowhead. So the electric current will flow from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the battery. You can see in the picture also electric current is flowing from the positive terminal end to the negative terminal end. Now in this case what happened, we just reversed the wire, we just reversed the position of the wire. Now the question is, will the bulb glow? The answer is yes, the bulb will glow. Why? Because the circuit is complete. All the terminals of the system are closed. So it is a complete circuit and that is why the bulb will glow. Now if we want to draw the circuit diagram of this electric circuit, what will be the diagram look like? Now let's see what is the circuit diagram of this electric circuit. So this is the circuit diagram. Compare it with the previous one. What we have done, we have just reversed the direction of the battery. As a result, what happens? The electric current is flowing in the opposite direction. So electric current can flow in either direction. As long as the circuit is complete, electric current will flow through the circuit and the bulb will continue to glow. Now let's see the circuit diagram of this electric circuit. In this electric circuit we can see three components are here. One is a battery, next one is a bulb and the next one is a switch. Switch is added over here. So what will be the circuit diagram? In my previous video lecture you have seen that what will be the symbol if the switch is on and what will be the symbol if the switch is off. You can see in this picture also, one case is showing switch on and the other hand it is showing that the switch is off. Now the circuit diagram, when the switch is off, something looks like this. It is a open circuit. Why? Because the circuit is not complete. As a result, electric current will not flow through it and the bulb will not glow. On the other hand, if the switch is on, the circuit is what? The circuit is complete and it is a closed circuit. As a result, what will happen? Electric current will flow through it from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery and as a result, the bulb will glow. The arrowhead shows the direction of the current. Now, yesterday we have learned that inside the bulb there is a small metallic wire which is called a filament. Now, when electric current flows between the two ends of the filament heats up. This heating up of the filament results in glowing of the bulb, and as a result we get light from the bulb. But what will happen if the filament is broken? Will the bulb glow? No, the answer is no. The bulb will not glow if the filament is broken. Why? The reason is the circuit breaks and no electric current flows through it. So this indicates that as long as a circuit is complete, जब तक circuit complete रहेगा तब तक वहाँ से electric current flow होते रहेगा. But if somehow the circuit is broken, electric current will stop flowing and the bulb or any other electrical components will not work. So this is all about today's topic.